Looks so healthy. It looks like I just got a haircut too. And I didn't. Hey, it's Brittany, celebrity hairstylist. I'm gonna show you how to get these glossy, smooth, silky waves using a few of my favorite new things I just got from IPSY. So let's start with prep. On mask days, I love to shampoo my hair twice, rinse with hot water, and then towel dry any excess moisture, so then it's ready to absorb in all that glorious mask goodness. Maintaining and achieving healthy hair comes down to three things: good habits, healthy diet, and great products. Loving the Briogeo hair mask for its green smoothie inspired ingredients like spinach, chia seed, avocado, and kiwi. Using a hydrating shine spray like hair mist from Soapbox, layered with Numa's smoothing cream, will nourish the cuticle and further reflect light. Okay, now we're ready to heat style and lock in that moisture. Using these shine products on dry hair really helps lock down frizz. If you're worried about spraying it directly onto your hair, put it in your fingertips and just kind of use it as needed to help with frizz or fly lace. And don't be afraid to layer your products. My hair is so shiny! Let me know in the comments if you've learned anything today, and if you already have used these shine products and you love them. I'm dying to hear. I'm Brittany Gharring, celebrity hairstylist. Thanks for watching, and can't wait to see what you guys come up with.